Hello everyone, and today's video I'm going to be installing these Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lamps on a 2019 Toyota 86. These are meant to fit on the earlier model FRSs and earlier model BRZs. They're not meant to fit on the 2017 and up Toyota 86s. I will be using an eBay kit also in conjunction with this for its brackets and its bezels. I will be using a Dremel to cut the brackets to make these work. Yeah, this is how the bracket is supposed to be with the fog light that comes with the bracket. This is how the Diode Dynamics one sits in the bracket. You can see the holes line up just like this eBay one. And the issue here is this top part. The holes line up everywhere else. So I believe the modification needs to be here, or actually here. There you go, boys. It fits. Alright, here are the Diode Dynamics installed on a 2019 Toyota 86. You can see the backlights are running and they fit the way they should. And if you're wondering what wire I used to tap into for the backlight for the Diode Dynamics Elites, this is actually the headlight adjuster, the leveler, automatic leveler, and this red and white wire here is accessory 12 volt. So it's on whenever the car is on. They power my VLAN running lights. And let's go turn on the headlights. And this is what it looks like with the headlights on.